Hi everyone, today's video I will show you how to add Zoom meeting in WordPress. So, the process of embedding your video conference is easily done with a WordPress plugin. You can embed your Zoom meeting into other HTML environments using the code available on GitHub. However, once you have downloaded the Zoom integration for WordPress plugin, go ahead and upload the plugin to your WordPress website using the upload button and the plugin area. Then you can retrieve your Zoom API information at marketplace.zoom.us. Start by signing into the marketplace website using your Zoom login. But you should enable your account with a Zoom Pro license for full functionality. Next, you can log in and you can click the develop drop down menu and select build an app. You will want to select the GWT option and follow the instructions for setup. Why? Because this app allows you to access your account's API token and secret key. In the app credential area, you can copy and paste your API key and secret information into the settings area of Zoom API plugins, just as the image. However, the WordPress website is now set up and the plugin can connect to your Zoom API. You will notice that the plugin will show recent meetings. The Zoom for WordPress integration plugin can now manage various Zoom settings for you, including add-in meetings. So, how to customize your embed? In the settings, you can customize the appearance of your embedded Zoom meeting. There are two drop-down menus that allow you to show or hide default settings. There is an option to hide the alternate join meeting button, which launches the Zoom application just like the main Zoom.us website would. Also, you can hide the default links to each version of the Zoom application by default, and the same as the picture shows. There is two more options, like joining the meeting directly from the WordPress page may not work for iOS, and that's the problem, because Apple doesn't allow loading of an external iframe. Therefore, the plugin provides a Zoom app link on the page for users to join meeting via Zoom app in case it doesn't work on their specific device, and that's the only solution. Anyway guys, that was the video. I hope it helped you a lot, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much for watching. See you next video.